Welcome Babukele Makaya from the Ed Break. Sisakhona ePotchefstroom Institute of Technology. Lapha eduze kwami sinoprincipal wesikole okumnumzane uMr Jula. Ngizocela ukuthi nginishiye naye angichazele kakho konke kusukela manje going forward.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyathanda ukubingelela ababukele ekhaya. uMr Jula lo ulungelo igama uthisha omkhulu wala ePotchefstroom Institute of Technology. Kahle nje isizathu esenza ukuthi iPotchefstroom Institute of Technology iqale ikona wona lokho ngoba bekusikhathaza ukubona abantu besuka ePotchefstroom beyindaweni ezifana nakoThekwini nakwezinye indawo bafike bethola ama college angekho accredited. Thina si college accredited by uQCTO, Quality Council of Trades and Occupations. Wonke ama qualifications esiwa offerishayo they are accredited. Mawuya kwi website ya QCTO uzofika uthole lapha iPotchefstroom Institute of Technology ukuthi accredited. Njengoba wazi ukuthi yonke into entsha ekakhulukazi efana necollege abantu abaningi basuke bengakayazi and naloko ukuthi ke ama colleges amaningi out there they are called ama bogus colleges. So abantu ngiyacabanga ukuthi they are a bit skeptical when it comes to ama colleges amasha. Kodwa ke siyabonga ukuthi kunyaka nje wokuqala siqala kube khona i-positive feedback in terms of i-enrollment. Kodwa akufikanga kwi-target ebesiyibhekile because wonke ama-qualifications ethu besifisa ukuthi agcwale. But we've got only one qualification eyagcwala la amanye kusekhona ukuhamba kancane esikhole ukuthi kwenziwe ukuthi siseyi-college entsha. Abazali bangasethemba kakhulu ngoba first of all siyi-college esemakhaya nathi futhi esiyiphethe college sikhulele emakhaya siyawazi ama challenges amakhaya siyazi futhi abazali bethu ukuthi badonsa kanzima emakhaya ngakho sikhona nje ukuthi sinika abafundi imfundo esezingeni eliphakeme ezokwazi ukuthi ihlangabezane nabo labo basemakhaya. Abantwana njengoba bekhona la sizobanika imfundo ngamanani afikelelekayo because mawubheka nje amanani thina siwa khiphayo for ama qualifications ethu uzobona ukuthi ayafikeleleka. Number 2 kunama monthly payment plan esenzela ukuthi wonke umfundi noma ngabe usuka ekhaya kanjani akwazi uku-afforda ukufunda ePotchefstroom Institute of Technology. Wonke ama lectures ethu lana ke ka skills development abizwa ngama facilitators they are fully qualified. Siwa interviewile wonke sine standard nje nathi ekumele basimithe when it comes ukuthi bakwazi ukuqualify ukuthi bafundise la ekhaya. Ngakho ke sinikeza nje imfundo esezingeni eliphakeme.
Ngibulise bonke ababukeli basemakhaya nabantu baze 1KZN. Igama lami nguLuvuyo, ifana nami waSomgunqo and lecture in fact IT facilitator ye-IT college kwi-Shape Tech eseNyanda Zulu. So I'm the one obhekene ne-IT computer technician course. I have a good foundation in IT. Ndaqala ndenza i-diploma ye-IT network engineering. Then after the diploma yam ndenza i-articulation from diploma to BSc, Bachelor of Science in IT System Engineering. Yes, ndifundisa i-short course in fact for 18 months specializing nge-foundation networking yokuqala ne-hardware nge-basics zakhona i-software ne-hardware. Is correspondent for NQF level 5. In fact it's a course engasoze ihlike i-course ekhula unyaka nonyaka i-technology njoba nathi sibona esifundeni zethu unyaka nonyaka hleze ziba khona izinto ezifikayo utshintsho notshintsho. So it's like that ne-technology kuba always they will get something after sebequbile.
Lana sine class le occupational health and safety, sine NQF level 4 okuyi officer, bese sibe no level 5 okuyi occupational health and safety practitioner. The same class is also used for Ramashot course FS8 njengoba lama 2 qualifications esondelene. Cela singene ngaphakathi.
Sanibonani, igama lami uSnegugu wakaTumani. Ngifunda lana ePortshepstone Institute of Technology and i-course engiyenzayo is Occupational Health and Safety. After my course, I would love to ukuthi ngisebenze under construction because I've never been in that department, so I want to try something new. So hopefully ngizoqashwa noma go NPC noma go Dwala.
Hello, my name is Jadine Kistansamy. I'm studying in Portshepstone Institute of Technology. I'm doing Health and Safety Officer, and y'all must be wondering why I'm doing this. It's because I want to empower women. I want to empower them, I want to uplift them, and I want them to do what I'm doing to show that we are worth it. That's why I'm doing this. And yes, I do see me applying and doing much better in this.
Hi, igama lami uThando wakanzama. Ngifunda ePortshepstone Institute of Technology. Course engiyenza la ekhaya i-Health and Safety course. Into engenze ngathanda ukwenza le course is because I've been working in construction, but it was a different department, so ngabona le opportunity and I decided to take it because ngake ngasebenza with construction, so I just wanted to try something different from lokho ebengikwenza khona because la mina bengisebenza khona bengidila with machinery. Sengisize kakhulu course because sengifunde okuningi ebengingakwazi nokubaluleka kwakho la bengisebenza khona, especially nje ngogqoka ama PPE and stuff, so belokho bengazi ngikuthathe serious, bengizitshele nje ukuthi it's part of i-procedure, but ukubaluleka kwakho bengingakazi ngikubone, but since ngiqalile course sengikubonile ukubaluleka kwalokho nokuthi kusiza kanjani wena as umuntu ukuthi ukwenze lokho. Inawo kakhulu ama job opportunities because I feel like sabantu asibheki kakhulu entweni ukuthi fanele wenzeni, we just thatha into available, but for this course mina ngicabanga ukuthi i-right kakhulu because idila nento eziningi, because if awuqashwa as a health and safety officer uyakwazi nokuthi uzivulele inkampani, mangazivulelanga inkampani uyakwazi ukusiza abantu bavula amankampani noma udile nama documents abo mebefuna uqala izinkampani.